Easily unlock protected Excel sheets without password. Did you ever protect an Excel sheet and then forget your password? It happened to me, and if it's happened to you too, let me know in the comments. Sure, there are tools that can remove the password, but I handle it myself without using a third-party tool. Let me show you a way to unlock your file by following a few simple steps. Make a copy. First, make a backup copy of your file in case anything goes wrong in New Folder. Select the file and press F2. Rename your Excel file from .xlsx to .zip. If it warns you, confirm you want to change it. If in your computer did not show the extension of file, follow this step to show an extension. Select the file and press F2. Rename your Excel file from .xlsx to .zip. If it warns you, confirm you want to change it. Open with a zip program. Open the zip file using a program like WinRAR or 7-Zip. If you don't have one, you can download 7-Zip for free. Open the Excel folder, then go to the Worksheets folder. Each worksheet will have its own XML file. Find the file for the protected sheet. Copy this XML file to your new folder. Right-click and open it with Notepad. Search for Protect. You'll see a line with Sheet Protection that marks where the protection starts and ends. Carefully delete that whole line, then save the file. Replace the old XML file. Delete the original XML file in the zip folder and replace it with your edited one. Change the file back from .zip to .xlsx and confirm. Now, open your file in Excel. You should be able to edit the previously protected sheet. You can set a new password that you'll remember.